Good morning. It's April 13th. This is the E3 Weekly Market Report. Exports have just come out. Let's go straight to those. We're expecting maybe some cancellations and a lower number than we've seen in cotton. That proved to be incorrect. Cotton sales, 307,200 running bales. That's up 14% from the previous week, but down 6% from the 4-week average. Increases were reported for India taking 88,800, Turkey taking 75,100, China taking 42,800, Indonesia taking 24,600, Bangladesh 22,800. We do have some cancellations, but only for Mexico, canceling 6,100, so not very much. New crop sales of 204,200. China took 129,400 of that. Let's see actual shipments, very high, 438,400 cotton shipments. So that's what cotton is, that's what the numbers are there. Cotton was up 30 before the report, and cotton is up 30. No reaction. All right, let's go to soybeans. Net sales of 402,300 metric tons. That's down 4% from the previous week and 26% from the 4-week average. China took 222,300 metric tons. Pakistan took 128,500 metric tons. Egypt took 92,000 metric tons. Soybeans were up 8.5 before the report. Now they're up 8 3/4. Corn, export sales of 738,000 metric tons, down 35% from the previous week and down 33% from the 4-week average. Japan took 230,900. Mexico took 160,600. Colombia took 85,600. Corn was up 2 just before the report's release. Right now, corn is up 2, no change. Wheat, net sales of 421,600 metric tons, down 26% from the previous week and 2% from the 4-week average. China took 112,900. Nigeria took 99,000. Japan took 63,900. Wheat was, just before the report, up 1.5 pennies. Right now, wheat is up 1. Let's look at some of the news here recently. We've had a sell-off in cotton. It looks like over the last 2 months we've dropped 600 points. Over the last 2 weeks, we've seen speculative long liquidation. Open interest has dropped 38,000 contracts from its high. So that we take that, well, right now May is at 74, it's at 75. July is at 76.42. December's trading at 73.34. What to expect now? Expect to see old crop find some support at some point here or just under here and move back up. I would think at least toward at least a 300-point rally. In old crop, we've seen a tightening of carryout. The last supply and demand report surprised people with a carryout of 3.7 million bales. A market did try to rally but could not hold that, and it's tried to drift lower. Since then, the soybean and corn market, soybeans have found support in the 930 to 940 area for May. Soybeans right now, May is trading at 956 and 3/4. We're looking for a bounce back toward 980 to 980 and 980 to 990 in old crop. Also for new crop, we've got November soybeans at 962. Looking for those possibly to bounce into the same area of 980 to 990. Looking at corn, May corn has found support in the 355 to 360 level. Right now, May corn is at 371 1/4. Look for that market to move back to the 385 area. December corn is at 394 and looks like it could bounce toward the 410 area, which would be making a new recent high. Wheat, let's just look at July wheat. It's at 447. Look for it to get up toward the 460 area, possibly if we can see a rally in corn and soybeans, or we might see a bounce into that area. One last look at the markets. Cotton is right now up 23. It's backed off 7 points with this outstanding export sales number. Soybeans are right now up 8.5, no change there since we've had the report come out. Corn up 2, no change there since the report came out. And wheat up 1 cent. It has backed off a slight amount. It was up 1.5 pennies. That's it. Have a good day. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the E3 Weekly Market Report. Thank you.